Hey, I'm here to talk about this really cool mini projector by iSinBox. I've actually thought about getting one of these for a little while. I wouldn't use a projector a whole lot, and so I didn't really want to invest in one. So I was super excited when iSinBox reached out and offered to send me one so that I could review it. There's a few things that you should know about this mini projector. First of all, this will support 4K and 1080p streams, but it does output 1080p. It doesn't output in 4K. It is a DLP projector though, so the image quality is a lot better than, let's say, an LCD style projector. It's surprisingly bright for it being so small, and it's also battery powered. We'll just hold this in for a few seconds. So now that's on, you can kind of see the projector image. Well, you can see the projector light turning on. I would expect this to not be very bright. I've actually had regular projectors that really aren't bright when they're in like any sort of a lit condition, and so this performs really well. Also, the image can go really big on this. This is rated to go from 32 inches all the way up to 300 inches. I don't even know of a projector screen that's 300 inches, like a home style one. I have a projector screen at home that's like a 70, I think it's a 70 something inch projector screen. It's like a portable one, but I just threw this up on a bedroom wall and it was about 100 inches. And so at 100 inches, it was a pretty good quality for how affordable this is, how small it is, it's battery operated. I think the quality definitely matched the value that you're getting out of this, basically. A couple other things I really like about this. First of all, the base actually can articulate a little bit. And so if you have this set down, let's say on a table somewhere that you're going to project on the wall, if you need to, you can kind of move it so that way it gets a little bit more level. And even if you don't get it perfect, this has auto keystone correction. So what that means is, if you had it like up a little bit more, the sides are going to be kind of flared out a little bit. With the auto, you just click the auto keystone correction on the included remote and it basically will automatically straighten it out for you. It's pretty neat. Let's actually quickly talk about what it comes with. It comes with a travel case, which is really cool. And then it comes with your power cord to charge, or you can run it off the power cord as well. And then basically it just comes with a user manual and then a remote here. So that's pretty, like, there's not a lot that you need to keep with this. Really nice feature with this is that it has built-in speakers. They're 5 watts. Again, it's not the greatest, but the first time I was using this, I didn't have a Bluetooth speaker nearby, so I needed some sort of audio to come out of this. So it was awesome. I mean, basically, I just plopped this down, had the projection screen on the wall, and had the speakers coming out of here, and I was watching a movie. It was awesome. I think this is a great option to use in your home for just any kind of like TV or movie watching activities. Probably be good for business too, because you can take this with you and then hook your laptop up to it, and then you're ready to go for a presentation. Let's actually get into how you display content on here, and that's probably my only dislike with this particular unit. It does have like a built-in operating system. It's not exactly an Android, but it kind of feels like an Android. I found it was really difficult to log into them though. Like there was already a Disney app there. It didn't tell me the login failed, but it told me the app needed to be updated. And then I went to the built-in app store here, and there was like 3 different versions of the Disney Plus app. So it doesn't look like any of these are official apps, as if you went to a Roku device or an Apple TV device and you were downloading like the official app that's made for it. I ended up just ordering a Roku stick, just the little stick, and basically it just plugs into the back of the HDMI port. And then, by the way, there's also a USB port here, so you can use this to either charge your phone or use your phone to connect to it to stream what's on your phone. But the way I'm using it is having a Roku stick in the HDMI port, and then that still needs to get powered, so that'll basically just plug into a little USB port here to give it power. It would be convenient to just use the built-in apps, but I couldn't get them to work. So maybe someone else gets them to work, and that was just sort of just a user error. But for me, I couldn't get it to work. And it was just a lot easier to just hook up a separate streaming device into it. But otherwise, I mean, I really, really like this a lot. I'm going to be using this a lot more than I probably thought I would. And I'm really happy that iSinBox was sending this to me. So super appreciative. So thank you so much for sending this. Hopefully you found this helpful. I occasionally review things like this, and then I occasionally just produce other videos that have nothing to do with reviews that you just may be interested in. So Follow along if you wish. Okay, peace.